YouTube, welcome back to the channel, guys. So we just meet up with the boys. Got them right there. They're probably gonna do a dig, I don't know, but let's see. But I'm coming live to you guys from the F10 535. And also, I just installed the downpipe on this G20 335. Nah, 330i, G20 330. The one with the one with the M340 body style. So right now we're just going to the car wash. I know you love it right now. Yeah, but we just installed the downpipe on that. But I didn't make a video on that because the time was like kind of too hot, so I wasn't like trying to like do any video because that was gonna take too long. But yeah, man, so let's get into the video. Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel again, guys. So instead of a car meet from the last couple of videos, I'm just gonna do like a POV because it's been a while since I did a POV on the 535 with the new mods and all of that. So make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and let's get into the video, man. I gotta say, the steering wheel with the paddle shift, it's a game changer, man. So if y'all don't got it in y'all 535 and so on, make sure y'all go get it, man. So now I could keep my hands on the steering wheel without have to like take it off and shift while I'm driving, while I'm recording. Could have my hands on the steering wheel just like this. If I want to downshift. also, guys, make sure y'all stay tuned because in the future y'all gonna like the mods I'm gonna do, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Keep on watching. Turn on the post notification bell so y'all won't miss any new videos. And for those of y'all that that doesn't know what mods I got, I'm just running like a full bolt-on open dump, but also I still got the OEM downpipe. So bear in mind, I still got the OEM downpipe, but I got some new mods coming soon. I'm gonna have to do rod bearings and all of that, so stay tuned for that. And also I'm gonna do the turbo inlet for the meantime until I get all the parts to go top mount turbo. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that, man. So soon we're going big single.
Let me know when you're ready. You ready? Come on, come on, come on. Come here, nigga. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let me know when you're ready. You ready? Come on, come on, come on. Come here, nigga. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
So if y'all like the video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.